Hi, I'm Marcus with Woodland Direct. Today we're going to be unboxing the superior ERL3000 linear electric fireplace. This fireplace comes in multiple sizes, including 60, 72, 84, and 100-inch models. Today we're going to be unboxing the 60-inch model. The first thing you're going to need to do is to inspect the product for damage. Make sure there are no obvious dents or holes in the box. If there are, please give us a call right away. Now we're ready to unbox the product. We recommend having a second person help remove the fireplace, as these units are quite heavy. Now that we've unboxed the product, we're ready to remove the rest of the packaging. While removing the fireplace, you'll notice there are several components included in the packaging. Those are an installation manual, a remote, hardware for mounting, acrylic media, and driftwood logs. The box for the logs will be found inside the fireplace. And that's everything you need to know about unboxing the superior ERL3000 linear electric fireplace. If you'd like to know how to install this fireplace, please click on the link in the description below. If you have any questions, give us a call at 800-919-1904 or visit us at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.